Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? Literally, this universe of ours is so big, and I uploaded a video in the past where I said just how big our universe is. And to date, we have found many planets which are within the habitable zone. So generally there is supposed to be life in our universe somewhere. Today we are diving into one of humanity's biggest questions, the search for extraterrestrial life, from ancient myths to modern science, and what we are still trying to uncover. The search for alien life has a fascinating history. Long ago, people wondered if there were other beings out in space, but they didn't have the tools to look. Ancient philosophers like the Greeks and Romans sometimes talk about life on other planets, but it was mostly speculation. When telescopes were invented, scientists started to look more closely at the stars and planets. Some thought planets like Mars might have life, but they couldn't see much detail. In 19th century, an American astronomer named Percival Lowell believed he saw canals on Mars and thought they were built by Martians. It turned out that the canals were just an optical illusion, but it got people thinking about life on other planets. In the 1920s, scientists started to think about using radio signals to look for aliens. The idea was that if aliens were out there, they might be sending signals that we could detect. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or known as SETI, started in the 1950s. Scientists began listening for radio signals from space that might indicate intelligent life. In 1960, astronomer Frank Drake conducted one of the first serious searches for alien signals. He used a radio telescope to listen to nearby stars but didn't find anything. In 1970s and 1980s, spacecraft like Pioneer 10 and Voyager 1 were launched with messages for any potential alien civilizations. They carried information about Earth and humanity in case they were found by extraterrestrials. In 1990s, with better technology, scientists continued to search for signals from space. They also started to look for planets around other stars, called exoplanets, to see if any of them might have conditions suitable for life. Launched in 2009, the Kepler Space Telescope found thousands of exoplanets, some in the habitable zone where life might be possible. The project, started in 2015, is one of the most ambitious searches for alien signals, using powerful telescopes to scan the sky for signals from intelligent civilizations. And today, scientists are still searching for alien life using advanced technology and new methods. They are studying extreme environments on Earth to understand where life might exist elsewhere and continuing to listen for signals from space. So far, scientists haven't found any proof of alien life. However, they have made some really interesting discoveries about some planets that might help us understand if life could exist in a universe before or not. Scientists found Mars has signs that liquid water once flowed on its surface. On the other way, the Curiosity rover, which has been exploring Mars since 2012, found some clues that Mars might have had the right conditions for life in the past. For example, it discovered ancient riverbeds and minerals that form in water. Another rover, Perseverance, landed on Mars in 2021, is looking for signs of ancient microbial life and collecting samples that could be returned to Earth for further study. Sometimes methane gas is detected in the Martian atmosphere. On Earth, methane can be produced by living organisms, but it can also come from other processes. Scientists are studying it to figure out if it could be a sign of life. For Alien Life is a big science project that combines astronomy, biology, and technology. Scientists look for planets outside our solar system that are in the habitable zone of their stars. This is the area where conditions might be just right for liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it. Scientists study life in extreme places on Earth, like deep oceans or volcanoes, to understand how life can survive in harsh conditions. This helps them guess where else in the universe life might exist. Also, scientists use Drake equation to find out intelligent life. The Drake equation is a formula used to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. with whom we might be able to communicate. It was developed by the astronomer Frank Drake in 1961. The formula is this: n equals to the number of civilizations with which we could potentially communicate. R equals to the rate of star formation in our galaxy. This is how many new stars form each year. Fp equals to the fraction of those stars that have planets. Not every star has planets, but many do. Ne equals to the average number of planets that could support life for each star that has planets. These are planets in the habitable zone, where conditions might be right for life. Fl equals to the fraction of those planets that actually develop life. This measures how common life is in the universe. Fi equals to the fraction of planets with life that develop intelligent life. Not all life is intelligent, so this factor estimates how often life becomes intelligent. Fc equals to the fraction of the intelligent civilization that develop technology that allows them to communicate over interstellar distances. L equals to the average length of time that such civilizations can communicate. Each part of the equation represents a step in the process from star formation to the development of civilizations capable of communicating with us. The values for each part are based on estimates, so the number of civilizations can vary greatly depending on the assumption we make. The Drake equation helps scientists think about the factors involved in finding extraterrestrial life and guides research in astrobiology and SETI, or Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. The Fermi Paradox is a question that scientists and thinkers have been puzzling over for many years. The universe has billions of stars, and many of these stars have planets orbiting around them. Some of these planets might be in a habitable zone, where conditions are just right for life, like Earth. Given the vast number of stars and planets, many scientists think it's likely that intelligent life could exist elsewhere in the universe. Despite the high probability, we haven't found any signs of extraterrestrial civilization or heard any messages from them. We haven't even detected any signals that suggest intelligent life is out there. This is the core of the paradox. If there are so many opportunities for intelligent life to exist, why haven't we found any evidence of it? This seeming contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the lack of evidence is what makes it a paradox. There are several possible explanations. Maybe we haven't been looking for signals in the right way or at the right time. Intelligent civilizations might have a short lifespan or might destroy themselves before they can communicate with us. Advanced civilizations might be aware of us but choose not to contact us, similar to how we might avoid disturbing a less advanced civilization. The distances between stars are so vast that even if other civilizations exist, the signals might be too weak or too far away for us to detect. They might use communication methods that we can't detect or understand. They might simply not be interested in exploring or contradicting other civilizations. The Fermi Paradox continues to be a topic of great interest and debate among scientists and researchers as they try to understand whether we are alone in the universe or if there are civilizations out there waiting to be discovered. The search for alien life is an exciting area of science with lots of possibilities. Scientists are developing more powerful telescopes that can see farther into space. This will help us spot planets that might have life. Small robots sent to other planets and moons in our solar system will gather more data. For example, missions to Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn might find signs of life. AI can help sort through the huge amounts of data collected from space missions and telescopes more quickly and accurately. AI can also help scientists predict where we might find signs of alien life based on exciting knowledge. Countries around the world are working together on space missions and research. This collaboration helps pool resources and knowledge, increasing our chances of discovering alien life. Rovers and landers on Mars might find evidence of past or present life. In summary, the future of searching for alien life involves using advanced technology, collaborating internationally, and exploring both our solar system and distant exoplanets. With each new tool and discovery, we get closer to answering the big question, are we alone in the universe? So, Are we alone in the universe? The answer remains elusive, but the search continues to inspire and intrigue us. What are your thoughts? Do you believe in extraterrestrial life? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more cosmic content. And check out our next video where we explore the mysteries of black holes. Thanks for watching.